Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the world of moving and storage solutions. Introducing the best-in-class Purbree heavy-duty moving bags. These Purbree moving bags aren't your average storage totes. They're designed with durability and convenience in mind, making them an essential tool for anyone planning a move or needing extra storage space. Let's break down why these bags stand out. First off, they're built tough. With a robust 160 GSM thickness, they're waterproof and tear-resistant, capable of holding up to 4,550 pounds of weight. Perfect for your heaviest items. The handles are reinforced with sturdy woven material and feature an extended design to enhance load-bearing capacity. No more worrying about handles breaking or straps slipping when you're carrying a full load. When it comes to durability, Purbree doesn't cut corners. These bags feature double stitching and high-quality zippers with dual heads, ensuring secure closure and easy access. Sized at 29 by 15 by 13 and offering a spacious 86L capacity, these bags can accommodate everything from clothes and bedding to toys and household items. Ideal for dorms, closets, attics, and more. Good quality, very tough material, zipper works great, and holds a lot too. As seen from satisfied customers, these bags are not just practical but also highly valued for their reliability and spaciousness. Whether you're moving to a new home, organizing your garage, or storing seasonal items, Purbree heavy-duty moving bags are your go-to solution for durable, efficient storage. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on these top-notch bags today.